I had a cup of tea with my Uncle Bobby on yesterday. As a matter of fact, I had 2 cups of tea and 3 donuts. My name is Jay, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. On today's lesson, I will teach you 3 English expressions to help you speak English more fluently. Now, if you're really serious about improving your English, be sure to watch my playlist. The link will be down in the description below. Let's get into today's lesson and have a little fun learning English. The first English expression I want to teach you is in essence. In essence. Now, you would use this expression or phrase when you're getting to the core idea of a conversation or the fundamental nature of a point that you're trying to make. You would say in essence. So you might say, in essence, I will cook dinner and get the movie tonight. You are responsible for the dessert. In essence. Or you may say, now concerning your outfit, in essence, I like the shoes, but the shirt and the pants that you have on do not match. In essence. Another English expression that you can use is, it stands to reason that. Now, this suggests that a conclusion or a reasonable statement is something that you're pinpointing or talking about. It stands to reason that. So you may say, it stands to reason that she wouldn't want them to find out about her personal problems. Or you may say, if his friends don't want to go, it stands to reason that he will not want to go either. And finally, as a matter of fact, I say this one all the time, as a matter of fact. Now, you would use this expression when you're introducing an important piece of information or a factual piece of information or a statement. So you may say, I already bought the tickets for the flight. As a matter of fact, we will leave next Monday. Or you may say, I called my job, and as a matter of fact, when I spoke to the manager, she said that I could have 3 days off since my loved one died. Here in the United States, when someone dies, it's customary to get 72 hours or 3 days off. Is usually called personal time off or PTO, so you can tend to the needs of your family or your loved ones. All right. So these are 3 great English expressions that you can use. As a matter of fact, it stands to reason, and in essence. All right. Make sure you practice these so you can use them in your daily conversations. Now, before we get to today's question of the day, make sure if you're on Instagram to follow me on Instagram. I've had an Instagram page for a while, and it's been a little difficult for me to get some of my students to interact. So I've tried to rehash or redo my Instagram page. So I hope you find it fun and helpful. So stop by my Instagram page today and follow me there as well. Okay, let's look at some YouTube comments from some of the subscribers before we get into today's question of the day. Here's one that they answered. What humble means modest, and children or child is the plural for child is children. But I asked about a vacation or something that was memorable that took place, and he responded, a memorable vacation is the one to Porto Cerrigo. I hope I'm saying that correctly. A town in Carnival with my daughters way back, it was memorable because it was their first time on the beach, and it was festival day and night on the streets. Wow, that sounds like that was really exciting. Okay, let's look at another comment. This one is from Crystal. She said her favorite hobby is playing board games. So I had a question of the day and I asked, what is your favorite hobby? And she said board games. And I responded, my favorite board game is Monopoly. I love playing Monopoly, owning all the properties, taking people's money when they pass go. I enjoy Monopoly. So here's today's question of the day. Make sure you drop down in the comments section and participate so I could possibly use your answer here on one of the lessons. Now this one was a fun one. If you were given $1,000 today, what would you do with it? 1,000 US dollars today. Someone said it's not a loan. You can have it. They want it to be a blessing. What would you do with it? I know for me, I would probably give some to the kids at my church, help them out. I'd take my wife out. I'd probably save not probably. I would save and invest some. And I may get one of my suits altered to fit me a little bit better. I think that's what I would do. And if I had some left over, I want to get a new camera for the YouTube channel. But this camera costs like I think it's $800. That would be all of it. They have a lower grade that costs like $500. So I got some work to do before I get that camera. Let me know down in the comments section, what would you do if someone gave you $1,000 today? No strings attached. Now, that is a phrase that we use that says, look, there's no obligation to repay it, no tricks or scams, no strings attached. What would you do with $1,000 if someone gave it to you today? My name is Jay. Thank you so much for listening to today's lesson. If you have enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all of that. And be sure to go over to my Instagram channel and follow me there. Okay, I think I got it to put on the screen. There it is. That's my Instagram channel. And so I hope you meet me there. Be sure to check out some of the links to my playlist down in the description. And I also have links to some lessons that you can repeat, some English stories that I have. Okay. Also, I'm going to quit doing my, quizzes on the individual lessons. You'll be able to find those on the community tab. So make sure you go to the community tab here on the channel and get involved with those quiz questions that I have. All right. Catch you on my next video. Have a great day.